unlock your phone in critical situations, a step-by-step guide. In emergencies, every second counts. Whether you're dealing with a medical emergency, receiving critical calls, or needing to access important information, unlocking your phone quickly is crucial. Sometimes smartphones can become obstacles due to lock screens or forgotten passwords. GadInsider has brought you a guide that provides you with step-by-step instructions on how to unlock your phone in critical situations. First, press the power button and tap Emergency Call. Use Google's Find My Device feature to remotely unlock your phone. Use Android's Forgot Pattern or Password or PIN option on the lock screen. Use fingerprint or facial recognition if enabled. Here's how to unlock iOS devices in a critical situation. Press and hold the side button and one volume button. Use Find My iPhone to remotely unlock your device. Connect to iTunes and restore your device. Use fingerprint or facial recognition if enabled. Use any other alternative methods to unlock your phone. Using Dr. Phone to unlock your phone. Dr. Phone is a third-party tool that can help you unlock your phone. You require a computer, a USB cable, and the Dr. Phone software. First, download and install Dr. Phone on your computer. Launch Dr. Phone and select Screen Unlock. Connect your phone to the computer via USB. Select your phone model and follow the on-screen instructions. Dr. Phone will unlock your phone. Supported devices for Android are Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, etc., and for iOS, iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Here are some alternative methods. Smart Lock. Enable Android's Smart Lock feature to automatically unlock your phone in trusted locations. Voice Assistant. Use voice commands with Google Assistant or Siri to make emergency calls. Emergency Information. Display critical information, for example, medical conditions on your lock screen.